Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I have a fun idea for a swipe. Well, I think it's going to be fun. We're going to try it out. I'm using a 10 by 20 canvas. I'm going to use some cardboard to swipe because that's just what I have. And I'll go over the colors real quick. I'm using a little bit of black, which does have a couple drops of silicone in there. Otherwise, I'm going to use a teal color that I made myself, and it's a little metallic. I'm going to use a really pretty violet here. And these I kind of mixed up from all different colors, so it's hard to even tell you the brands. I used Blickrick, I used Artist Loft. And then this one's going to be kind of a bronzy gold that I'm going to use. So there are going to be a couple metallics, plus there's a couple drops of silicone in here. So that will likely cause some fun sales. So we're going to get started. All right, first things first, I am going to cover half of the canvas here with, let's see, I think I'm going to cover it with white. Basically, this is going to be kind of a, I don't even know what to call it. It's going to be a swipe though. I'm going to cover, actually, I think a little more than half. Okay. And then I'm going to just get this spread out here. Alright, and then that is all that I'm going to do to this side specifically. So the plan is to definitely have negative space here. I was thinking about doing that with turquoise, but I think I want to save my turquoise for a different color scheme. So I'm going to use some black right here, right on the edge. And I'm trying to go for not a lot at all. Then let's see. I'm going to go in here with some blue. And some of this purple. And then some of the kind of light turquoisey metallic color that I made. It's really pretty. And then I'm going to throw some of this, the gold in here. All right. So I'm going to just help these along to the edge. So we want to get the best coverage possible. Whoop. These are all going to blend in the end anyways. So I'm not too worried about it. I am going to push up the white a little bit more. Okay. This is a messy job, but someone's got to do it. So I'm going to just ensure we have full coverage with the black over here. And here we go. Get my cardboard. And I'm going to just go as gentle as possible on this. So with the swipe, you don't want to push all the way down to the canvas. You're literally just pulling the paint across. Okay, and word of warning, don't leave anything in the way of your arm. But that's okay. I like it. And we are not going to fuss with it anymore. We're not going to tilt. We're not going to do anything. So I am going to help just the edges here get coverage. And then we'll go ahead and we'll do our close-up. But that is some really cool lacing that was created there, and I love these colors together. Really good combination. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Awesome. All right, let's actually let this just sit for a couple minutes. I'm gonna throw a little more black on here and then we'll do our close-up. Okay, let's start with the lower right hand corner as usual. So we do have some white negative space, and there's some points here that will level out as it dries. Beautiful cells throughout here. I had actually planned on having a bit more of the negative space, but then, you know, I don't know, things happen. Look at these colors together. Look how gorgeous that is. That is just so pretty. There's like little flower designs in there. Super pretty. So, lower left hand corner. I'm having a hard time deciding what's my favorite part. So I love this purple in here. I think it's here with the black and that like light turquoise and the gold color. I think that just looks gorgeous. Like, I would love if my driveway or walkway looked like that. That'd be so pretty. And there we go. There's the overall look again. So guys, I do love this. It didn't come out like I had in my head, so I'll be doing a couple more experiments along this line. But I do really like this color combo. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.